Founded in 1980, Cosma began its first business venture by recruiting selected staff with the aim of building, generating, and creating an innovative business model for producing machinery for other companies. Since its early developments, Cosma has shown a high level of specialized production of equipment for wood processing and the manufacturing of domestic lighting. After that, in 1983, while continuing significant and successful results, Cosma expanded by forging a collaboration with a private company, which continues to this day, after more than 30 years, by constructing molds used for polyurethane foam. This allowed Cosma the possibility to expand and become one of the most competitive companies building polyurethane molds. This collaboration represents an important step in the company's history by creating the opportunity for a large expansion in a relatively short time span and the creation of two additional business divisions named Mekos and Astom. The latter expansion of 7,080 square meters represents the most specialized factory in the world for the production of polyurethane molds for refrigerators. Cosma continued to grow and expand its organization. The result of this continued success and expansion was that in 1995, the Forest Business Division was created, which specializes in the production of mechanical components required to handle the refrigerators. Today, Cosma covers an area greater than 14,200 square meters and has 52 employees with many other technicians under contract. Cosma has more than 40 machine tools, of which 25 are of the latest generation. All are operated by the most experienced and skilled operators available. Cosma has the distinct advantage over its competition by having its own internal mechanical workshop, which is able to produce 90% of the mechanical components used to build its machines. This makes Cosma self-sufficient in the sourcing of its mechanical components. The mechanical workshop not only sets Cosma apart from its competition, but allows Cosma to control the production of the machines from conception to assembly and testing. The departments that complete the production of the machines from conception to assembly are the commercial, project management, engineering, and administration departments. The engineering department uses the latest 3D design programs and is supported by the Cosma software department. Considering the demands of its customers, Cosma has now developed a specialized department for the research and development of the most suitable raw materials. This department does rigorous daily testing of the finished components and a team specializing in the continuous updating of the automation software. The most significant departments are the raw material processing department, followed by the departments controlling the assembly and testing of the machines. Expertise, passion, and experience are three key points allowing Cosma to compete in fields requiring continuous improvements in complex technology of innovative tools, manufacturing techniques, and software to produce machines with the greatest versatility. Cosma, therefore, is a company with full control during all phases of the manufacturing process, from design to assembly and final testing, to producing machines of the highest quality. Cosma is certified by UNIEN ISO 9001-2008, which applies to the design, manufacturing, assembly, testing, installation, and servicing of the machines produced by Cosma. Today, due to the continuous development of research, innovation, and continued growth, Cosma is always open to new channels in foreign markets. For these reasons, new products in other sectors of machines have been introduced, such as automated steel metal forming, bending, and assembly machines used to produce white goods and household appliances, along with other related products. Cosma now represents innovative technology in the field of cold working of sheet metal. The values that Cosma's customers recognize are awareness, referring to advanced technological content of their machines, quality, regarding to the constant improvement to technical solutions, precision, by eliminating and preventing potential sources of system defects and malfunctions, efficiency, by making innovation accessible to all levels of production in Cosma, involvement and participation that is extended to all our customers, employees, and suppliers in order to pursue the important values of quality that all are expecting. Ethics is emphasized in the moral values of the business and responsibility by understanding the privilege of working with the customer on proprietary technology and respecting the customer's wishes for non-disclosure. Since its foundation, Cosma has always aimed at improving its products with respect to innovation and reliability. This is a choice Cosma makes, which requires large investments in research and development, and also a larger organization. At the same time, Cosma must always maintain flexibility, respect for agreements, punctual deliveries, quality, and professional service. It is recognized by Cosma that the general principles followed by each department, each human resource, every production step, and by the administration determines the quality of the work produced and the ultimate success of the company. The fundamental principles include quality assurance and complete satisfaction of the customer. Customer satisfaction is the center of gravity around which Cosma defines its strategy and invests its energies. Cosma has always used total quality to instill full confidence and satisfaction in its customers.